Hey everybody, today we're going to be finishing our warm and cool paintings by painting the bottom two quadrants of the paper using both warm and cool colors. Let me show you how I did this. Okay, first let's start by getting our materials. We're going to need a water pot, some paint, our paper, and a little bit of paint and a small brush. All right, first we're going to plan out where we're going to put our cool colors, which are going to look as if they recede or are farther away, and then we're going to plan out where we're going to put our warm colors, where those look like they're coming more towards us. I'm going to start off by painting my cool colors, which are going to be my background colors. Again, you want to try and mix your colors and be creative with the color scheme. I'm trying to paint a balanced, symmetrical color scheme. So what I do to one side of the paper, I'm going to do to the other side, so that it's same on, it's like a mirror image. All right, so I'm gonna finish up my cool colors here and then just give it another little going over, smooth out those brush lines. All right, so now I'm ready to start with my warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. And these are going to be my colors that look as if they're coming towards you or they're closer to you because they're bright and vibrant. So again, I'm going to mix up some colors so that I'm being creative with my color choice. And I'm going to, again, stick with that symmetrical design of placing the colors on the paper. All right, so I'm almost done here, finishing up with my warm colors and making sure that I'm using the tip of my brush, smoothing out the colors and paint so that it's not too thick, and making sure it goes right up to the edge of the other colors, and then I'm finished.